Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Honda Grom 125. Fuel injected. This little mini moto arrived here with only 621 miles. Beautiful condition. Come on by, make your Grom dreams come true for just $39.99. This one's not going to be here long. We can't get our hands on any new Groms. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.